Hello students, welcome once again to another section. In this section we have a math problem here. Now if m is equal to 30% of q, so we have m here being equal to 30% of q, so it's just multiplied by q. So 30% here is just, it means that 3 over 100 here multiplied by q here, which is just this, cancel that, and we have 3 over 10 q here, right? Now, and it went on to say that q here is 20% of p, so q here is just 20% of p here, which is just 20 divided by 100 here multiplied by p. So this cancel that, and we have 2 over 10 p, which is the same as p here divided by 5, right? Now then n here is 50% of, so the 50% of p, right? So n here is just 50% multiplied by p, which is the same as 50 here divided by 100 here multiplied by p, and this is just so we have this, cancel that, and we just, this goes there too, so we just have p here over 2, so that will be for n. Now the question says what is m divided by n? So to find m divided by n, we have m here divided by n here. Now what is m? M here, we add m here to be 3 over 10 here of q being divided by n here is just p here divided by 2, but then also we have p and we have q here. So what is q, right? So q here in this case is just p over 5, so let's just replace that. So we are replacing the q here by p over 5 because q here is just p over 5, so p here divided by 5, right? Then divided by p over 2, we realize that we just have so we are just going to get 3 here p over 50, right? Now when this is dividing, right, when we multiply it, numerator change with the denominator here, we just have 2 here divided by p. P here will cancel p there, and then also 2 here will cancel itself 1 and goes here 25, and therefore we have 3 over 25 left here. So our m over n is just 3 over 25, which is just b here, right? So we have b here, right? So that will be b. So thank you very much for joining me in this section. I'll see you in another section.